Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Audio channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to mute conversation on pause for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start it. First we go the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter. And the next step, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner, symbol of the profile here. Click on and go to the profile. These are all of your tweets here. Okay, how to be mute the conversation on post? You can go to one of the post or tweet here. You can click the three dots in the upper of the post. And there is no option here how to do and how to mute conversation. You also click on here, click on the post, not the three dots but click on the post. Okay, after that you can click three dots in the upper of the right of the post. Click on and click the mute this conversation. Click on the mute this conversation and fix it to yes, mute this. Okay, the notification mode for this confirmation. Okay, this is a tutorial how to mute conversation on pause for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.